Let's set up a Discrete Progress component using SmartUI plugin for Construct 3. The first step is to add the SmartUI plugin. It will automatically load the libraries necessary for all the add-ons to work. You don't need to do anything else. Now, let's add a sprite which will become our Discrete Progress. This behavior is designed to work only with sprites, because it depends on animations. We're going to create 3 different animations for our heart: the empty, half full, and the full animations. Add the SmartUI Discrete Progress behavior to the sprite, and set up its properties. Each heart will have 3 parts in all. In the max parts fields, we set it to 2 parts, which is 3 animations minus 1, because our empty animation will be considered as the 0 index. Now, set the animation's name in the desired order to represent each part. SmartUI Discrete Progress works only with integer numbers. Its value represents the index of the animation list you created. In our event sheet, we'll set the group value for the part to 1. As you can see, the value is distributed and the animation set to represent it. The Discrete Progress doesn't hold a value, it just distributes and represents the given number. Let's copy our heart twice more and set its value to 5. It will automatically distribute it among all the parts in the same context. This feature allows you to handle multiple parts of different animations to represent the value. The order of the parts can be set in the part sequence field, otherwise, the document order will be used. Let's add a pie animation with 6 parts to our SmartUI Discrete Progress. Let's organize our animations for readability. I'll create 2 folders to group the heart animations and the pie animations. In our layout, change the properties of the second hearth. The max parts will be 6. Then set the list of animations in the desired order. We set the first sprite with 2 parts, the second with 6 parts, and the last one with 2. If we run it again, the value now is distributed among the new list of parts, and using different animations. To manage multiple part groups, they must be placed in a different context. For that, we need a container that uses the SmartUI container behavior to create a new context. Copy our 3 instances and make them children of the container. To correctly pick the instances, we'll use the component's name. The first part outside the container will be called out, and the first part inside the container will be called in. We just need to pick one instance of the part group. SmartUI framework will automatically identify its context, determining what parts belong to each of the 2 groups. Now, let's pick the group named out in the event sheet by its name, and set a different value. As you can see, we only affected the group within the context of our interest. Let's also change the value of the group named in, which is placed in the context of the container we created. SmartUI Discrete Progress is an easy and flexible way to manage multiple heterogeneous parts to represent a value. SmartUI for Construct 3 by Pixel Perfect Studio.